Hi.
Today I thought we would make some volcanoes. They're pretty simple, and they're just the soda bottle volcanoes. So what we need to make these is we're gonna need dish soap, we're gonna need cold water, we need white vinegar, dish soap. Can you guys see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, the Dawn.
Yep. And then we're gonna need food coloring, and it's just a grocery store. Okay.
Question.
And go ahead. Who has a question?
Clifford.
No questions? Okay. And okay, so dish soap, cold white vinegar, food
Can
coloring,
you just
and
make it look like a volcano, or just using the bottle?
we're gonna use the bottle. I did see something weird. I didn't have enough time to go and get the stuff, but you can cover your bottle with sand. Maybe we'll do that next time. It really makes it look like a volcano. But today we're just gonna do the erupting volcano in the soda bottle.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Awesome.
Okay. All right.
So Clifford, you don't have to make it look like a volcano if you don't have everything else. You can just try it off of the soda bottle like she's doing.
700.
What's up, Ryan?
You don't have to use the sand and cover the bottle, but if you want to, you can. Okay, so you guys ready?
Because I don't have the materials to do it. Plus, I'm in my room and I don't want to make a mess.
Yeah, because it kind of makes a mess. You have to be careful. So basically, what the eruption is, what makes the eruption is the sodium. I think it's like a soda, so it has the and so it's carbon dioxide, and that's what actually, when you mix the baking soda with the vinegar, that's what gives you that chemical reaction. Okay, so that's the science part of the volcano. So it's pretty fun, but yeah, they mess after. Okay, so we're gonna use it does this in milligrams, but actually we're gonna use a two cup measuring cup. We are going to mix. You got to make this stuff called baking soda slurry. It's like it's just for baking soda, so you need a half a cup of baking soda.
Baking soda.
Do that. I got this clear glass so you guys could actually see me mixing it. So get a half a cup. Okay, half the measuring cup, and we're going to put it in the glass. Okay. And we need to get our water, and it says to use cold water. So we're going to get cold water, the cold water out of the refrigerator. And so we're gonna make it's called soda water flurry. And then basically you just pour, you can like fill it up. Just fill it up like halfway. You can see kind of like bubbles. I can see it bubbling up in there. Can you guys see it bubbling?
Yeah.
Okay. And so we need to mix this so that it gets like watery, because the baking soda will just kind of stick at the bottom because it's heavy. So you just want to kind of mix it up. Just give it a good mix so that it gets liquidy. Okay. We're going to do that. And then we're going to put this aside. So put this aside. Okay, now we're going to do the second part. So the second part, there we go. Out of the way.
Okay.
Drop the bottle. I just dropped my bottle. Okay. Guys, I have a small area to work with here, so let me grab the bottle. Sorry. I had to chase it on the other side, yeah. Little mark. So this is just a 7-Up bottle. Doesn't have to look perfect. You just take the I take the label off so you guys can see it. Okay. So what we're gonna put in here is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna combine vinegar, water, and 2 drops of dish soap. Okay, coloring so that it gives it a nice color. Okay, so it says basically we're gonna put about a half a cup of vinegar in the bottle.
Yeah.
Almost. So I'm just gonna pour this in the bottle. Can you guys see that? Okay.
I see that Val.
What's that? What did you say?
I think he said he can see it.
Okay. Okay, good. I'm sorry. Okay, so what color should we do, guys? I have green, pink, turquoise, and like an orange color. Can I hear you? What color? Pink.
I heard pink.
Okay, well, pink. You can make it as dark as you want. So, okay, I can't really see this. And so, okay, so, 2 drops of dish soap. So now we're gonna put our Dawn. Okay. Whoops. Oh, well, I poured a little bit more, but I think that's what makes the bubbles in this. Okay, and then we got the vinegar and all that. Okay, so we're gonna mix this around. Oh, also, one thing that I did grab, I forgot to tell you guys, is you're probably gonna need a funnel. It's just easier to use the funnel to pour the liquid mix in. Okay, so put that on top. Otherwise, it'll go all over. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my soda, the baking soda, slurry, that's what they call it. And we're gonna stir it up again, give it a nice stir.
Baking soda. Baking soda.
All right, guys, get ready. Here we go.
All right, let's see it. Whoa.
Didn't funnel up the way the other ones did, but
It exploded there, huh?
yeah, it kind of did. I think the faster you pour, the more explosion you get. So it's just gonna kind of go over. The more bubbles you put, I think the more it.
Yeah, and you see, it went much quicker there.
Yep. That's it. Yep. Kind of cool. It looks cool when you have the sand on it. So I got another bottle. I thought we'd do it again. The smaller bottle, get a bigger like eruption out of it. We're gonna go ahead. We'll make another one. What color do you want to do this one? Okay, I'll just pick a color then. I'll do green this time.
Green.
Green? Okay, cool. That's green. Okay.
So we should try
nice.
that.
Okay, we'll try green. Okay, let me mix up the water. We did pink already. Aww. Don't mind the people talking in the background. We have like backseat helpers over here. Okay. So there's that.
Audience over there.
Yep. And then we need our dish soap. So remember, vinegar, dish soap, food colorings,
There's some.
and water. Let me see if we get a better eruption out of this one. Okay, guys.
Frankie.
What does that have? What you're mixing right now?
It's the baking soda and water. I need to put more water in it.
Okay.
You got to make sure it's liquidy because it could get clumpy.
Okay.
But let me put a little more water because it should be a little bit clearer. It should have like that, like up here. So just cold water. Okay. Make sure it's mixed up well. Let me see if I can make this one explode a little bit higher.
Oh.
Waiting for.
You saw that right there?
That one was crazy, but that's basically what you want. So the faster you pour, the more explosion you get, and that went everywhere.
I think the green was probably the worst one here, huh?
Yep.
The best one. It was the best one, Brent.
Yep. Do you guys want to do one more? One more.
Yes,
before
one.
we-
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's
So
do one
we'll do
more.
one more.
That was actually pretty cool.
Huh.
One more.
Yeah. All right, one more, guys. Okay. I've been letting them choose color. Backseat helpers, please be quiet. Just kidding. Okay, so
We did pink, we did green. What else? What other color do you have?
turquoise blue, and I have like an orangey color, and I also have dark blue.
Fine.
Why make it dark blue?
Dark blue? Okay, you got it. Okay.
Dark blue.
Okay. So remember, guys, the vinegar first. I forgot to take the tag off of this one, but the label, but oh well. Okay. Okay, vinegar. Watercolor, the food coloring. Uh-oh, I have a feeling this one's gonna go pretty high. And the dish soap. Okay, so let's see if you guys, I can put this higher so you guys can see. Sorry guys, my laptop, I don't have a good angle here, so. All right guys, so let's stir up our baking soda and water. Yay! Yes, they picked blue. All right, guys. Last one.
Valarie.
Are you
See it.
How's Valarie?
guys ready?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Was you ready?
Whoa.
There you guys go.
It's like too
Your simple
much
potatoes.
explosions there,
You
isn't
got
it?
a mash bar going on.
So the more bubbles you put, the bigger the explosion, and the more it'll kind of like flow over. You get your little lava. And that's it. It's my volcanoes. What do you guys think?
I thought that was cool.
Good.
Fun miss.
Fun miss.
It was pretty fun to have a big mess to clean up, but that was
I
really
thought that
fun.
was cool.
And
I
it's
enjoyed-
still going. The
I
bubbles are
enjoyed and Valarie, sure it's been a while since I saw you. Huh?
Oh.
That was cool.
Yeah, pretty simple, fun, easy. The more bottles you have, you can probably set them up and just kind of pour them in there, and pretty cool. Pretty simple project.
So we've done some volcanoes here virtually in our science classes. This is probably one of the best ones that exploded. Probably one of the highest ones too. That was cool.
That's-
Looks like you got your mess there.
Yeah, so remember, it has to do with the more soap, I think, and it just. That was, I was really not expecting it to go that big, but that was pretty fun.
Neat.
Can you
Yeah,
guys still
I
hear
enjoyed
me? Okay.
Oh.
What do you guys think? Did you guys like that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Fun?
All right.
Are you guys
And Valarie, sure it's been a while since I saw you here, huh?
What's that?
It sure has been a while since I saw you here, huh?
It's been a while. Yeah, a couple of weeks. Yeah,
Oh,
nice to
yeah.
see you guys. That was cool. I hope you guys make some of these. I should make some and do a video.
It'd be like
Oh,
one of,
yeah.
huh?
Okay.
says the boy.
Wait.
Well, thank you, Valerie. Thanks for sharing these volcanoes, those ideas.
No problem.
Thank you. We
Sorry
enjoyed
about my
it.
internet.
Like,
Kind of funny sometimes. No, I had fun, you guys. That was cool. That was really cool.